कल्याणी श्रूयते वा? कल्याणी श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय।
Anybody wants to revise Kala Varga? Please put up your hands. यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्या नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रियै चामृताय च अथ कालवर्गः. Anybody Kalavarga revision? Kausalya Bhagini. Kausalya Bhagini, where is she? Okay, anybody wants to do Kala Varga, please let me know. Oh, you have raised the hand and I have. Panchanadan sir, you want to do Kala Varga, sir?
Yeah, I'll listen to your this one, the last class. Very nice. I'm going to try it. I try to do the best I can. I may make some mistakes. You have to pardon me.
Okay.
Ata kala vargaha kalo dishtopyanehapi samayopyatapakshatihi pratipadhe ime strite tatadyastitayo dvayoho kasrodina haniva kasrodina haniva tu ive divasavasarau pratyushormukham khalyam pratyushati api युष्टं विभातं स्वे क्लीभे कुंसी गोसद्भीक्ष्यते प्रभातं च दिनान्ते तु सायः सन्ध्या पितृपुषुः प्राह्ना पराह्ना मध्याह्ना स्त्रीर्संयमतः सर्वरि संयमतः सर्वरि निशा निशीथिनी रात्रिस्त्रिया स्त्रिया माक्षणदाचका विभावरी तमस्मिन्ने रजनी यामिनी थमी तमिश्रातामसी रात्रि चौत्नी चंद्रिकयान्विता आगामी वर्तमानार्थ युक्तां निशि पक्षिणी गणरात्रं निशावक्ष्य दोषो रजनी मुखम् अर्धरात्र निशीथौ द्वौ याम प्रहरौ समौ सपर्वसन्ति प्रतिपत् पंचदशोर्यदन्तरम्
पंचदश्योर्यदन्तरम्
क्षम्यतां सपर्वसन्ति प्रतिपत् पंचदश्योर्यदन्तरम् पक्षान्तौ पंचदश्यौ पूर्णमासी to Purnima. Some people say Purnamasi, here is Purnamasi. Kalahine Sadhamati Purne Raka Nishakare Amavasya Tamavasya Dashta Sutyendra Sangamaha.
The second Amavasya is Amavasya Tvamavasya. There is no Dirgha there.
Amavasya Tvamavasya Dashta Sutyendra Sangamaha. Sadrishten tu Shini Vali Sanakten Kala Kuhu Utarago Gahorahu Graste Indau Chapushticha सोपप्लुवोपरक्तौ द्वौ अग्नियुत्पाद उपाहितः एकद्योक्ष्या पुष्पवन्तौ दिवाकरनिशाकरौ अष्टादशनिमोषस्तु काष्ठात्रिंशत्तु कला तस्तु त्रिंशत् क्षणस्तेस्तु मुहूर्तो द्वादशसहस्र्यां ते तु 30 होरात्रः पक्षस्ते 15 च पक्षौ
धन्यवादः
Okay. धन्यवादः
from here thank you for सूर्यनारायण महोदय
नमस्कार सर
ते तु इंगेनु सोल्றला
I should start from ते तु त्रिंशद होरात्र पक्षस्ते दश पंच च पक्षौ पूर्वापरौ शुक्ल कृष्णौ मासास्तु तावुभौ द्वौ मार्गादिमासौ
स्यादृतुस्तैरयनं
त्रिभिः अयने द्वे गतिरुद दक्षिणार्कस्य वत्सरः समरात्रिदिवे काले विषुवं च तत् पुष्पयुक्ता पौर्णमासी पौषी मासे तु यत्र सा नाम्ना स पौषो माघाद्यास्वैव मेकादशा परे मार्गशीर्षे
अस्तु वदतु महोदय
मार्गशीर्षे सह मार्ग आग्रहायणिकश्च सः पौषे तैष सहस्यौ द्वौ तपा माघेत फाल्गुने स्यात् तपस्यः फाल्गुनिकः स्यात् चैत्रिको मधुः वैशाखे माघवो राधो ज्येष्ठे शुक्रः शुचिस्त्वयम् आषाढे श्रावणे तु स्यान्नभाः श्रावणीकश्च सः शुर्नभस्य भाद्रपदाः समाः स्याद्भास्विनः आश्वयुजोऽपि स्यात्तु कार्तिके बाहुलोर्जौ कार्तिकिको हेमन्त शिशिरो स्त्रियां वसन्ते पुष्पसमयः ग्रीष्म ऊष्मकः
धन्यवादः महोदय धन्यवादः कौसल्या भगिनी can you
नमो नमः
from bahulorjau kartikiko you can
बाहुलोर्जौ कार्तिकिको हेमन्त शिशिरो स्त्रियां वसन्ते पुष्पसमयः सुरभिर्ग्रीष्म ऊष्मकः निदाघ ऊष्मागमस्तपः स्त्रियां प्रावृत्स्त्रियां भूम्निवर्षा अथ शरस्त्रियां षडमेरुतवः पुंसि मार्गादीनां युगैक्रमात् संवत्सरो वत्सरोऽब्दो हायनो स्त्री शरत्समाः मासेन स्यादहोरात्रः पैत्रो वर्षेण दैवतः दैवे युगसहस्रे द्वे ब्राह्मः कल्पौ तु पौर्णृणां मन्वन्तरं तु दिव्यानां युगानामेकसप्ततिः संवत्सरः प्रलयः कल्पः क्षयः कल्पान्त इत्यपि अस्त्री पंकं पुमान् पापं किल्बिषकल्मषं कलुषं रुजनैलोभमम्भो दुरितदुष्कृतं स्याद्धर्ममस्त्रियां पुण्यश्रेयसी सुकृतं वृषः उत्प्रीतिः प्रमदो हर्ष प्रमोदामोदसम्मदाः स्यादानन्दतुरानन्दः शर्म चात सुखानि च स्वस्तेयसं शिवं भद्रं कल्याणं मङ्गलं शुभं भावुकं भविकं भव्यं कुशलं क्षेममस्त्रियां शस्तं जाथ त्रिद्रव्ये पापं पुण्यं सुखादि च मतल्लिकामचर्चिका मुद्गतल्लजौ प्रशस्तवाचकान्यमूनि अयश्चुभावहो विधिः दैवं दिष्टं भागधेयं भाग्यं स्त्रीनियतिर्विधिः विधिः हेतुर्नाकारणं बीजं निदानं त्वादिकारणं क्षेत्रज्ञ आत्मा पुरुषः प्रधानं प्रकृतिस्त्रियां विशेषः कालिकोऽवस्था गुणाः सत्त्वं रजस्तमः जनुर्जनन जन्मानि जनिरुत्पत्तिरुद्भवः प्राणी तु चेतनो जन्मि जन्तुजन्युशरीरिणः जातिर्जातं च सामान्यं व्यक्तिस्तु पृथगात्मता चित्तं तु चेतो हृदयं स्वान्तं हृन्मानसं मनः इति कालवर्गः.
Very good. So Kausalya Bhagini has recited. So धन्यवादः Kausalya Bhagini. धन्यवादः. अतीव समीचीनतया भवत्या प्रतिपादितम्. So I was talking about certain things in the previous class. Also I spoke. For people there may be a repetition. What I was talking about in this class is today I thought I should share some few thoughts with all of you. This is a Punya Kala that we are in. This Punya Kala is we are going to have the Shankara Jayanti Utsava on the Panchami of Vaishakha Masa. Today is Prathama. So today is the first day. Prathama, Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami. So Tuesday is is celebrated as Shankara Jayanti, Ramanuja Jayanti. Shankara Jayanti. So Shankaracharya is considered as one of the philosopher of the world, because the Advaita philosophy is a universal philosophy which can appeal to anybody in this world. If you talk about Advaita philosophy, that is why he is called the universal. Advaita is supposed to be the universal philosophy, and Shankaracharya is supposed to be the universal philosopher. It does not have anything to do with religion or anything. It is about the philosophy. This is the first thing. So the second thing is Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padacharya has written a lot of 3 levels of granthas, with his Vedas, Prasthanatrayas, Veda Prasthanatraya Bhashya, which means Brahma Sutra, Upanishad and Bhagavad Gita. For that he has written the Bhashyas, that is Upanishad Bhashya, and then the Prakarana Granthas like Viveka Chudamani, and then Stotra Granthas, wherein he has given the Advaita Tattva through his stotras, like Dakshinamurti Stotra, Ekashloki, then we have Nirvanashtakam. We have a lot of shlokas which talk about the relation between Atma, Paramatma and this Jagat, which is the Vedanta Tattva, which we call. Now, these 5 days, whenever you get a chance, I request all of you to take 1 or 2 shlokas of Shankaracharya and do Parayanam of those shlokas, and study some of Shankaracharya's philosophy, his life, etc. And if anybody has the capacity to do the Parayanam of the Bhashyas by Bhagavad Sankalpa, if you can do the Bhashya Parayana, please do the Bhashya Parayana for 5 days. This is the first thing which I thought I should share. So out of these 5 days, we have the third day, which is called Akshaya Tritiya. So on the Akshaya Tritiya day, normally what people say is all the jewelry in India, what happens is all the jewelry shops, they will put an advertisement saying that on this day, if you buy jewelry for your daughter or for your wife or for your mother or for your daughter-in-law, your sister, etc., you will this jewelry is going to be Shashvata, and people run behind gold and they offer a lot of discounts and other things. So, but as per the Shastras, it is not buying and hoarding. Actually, it is the dana which is to be done on Akshaya Tritiya day. So our gurus and our Shastrajnas, our grandfathers have told on an Akshaya Tritiya day, you should call some good Brahmin and give dana to him. That is what they are saying. Now in Bhagavad Gita also, it is told, deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam. So we should select the right person for the dana, the right cause. Why we are giving dana should be very clear, and then we should also give on a particular kala we should give dana. Like for example, my mother used to do Magha Masa, some vrata. So on Magha Masa, what they do is they give this blanket, shawl, all these dana they give to Brahmins, because on those months it will be very cold. Now the seasons are different slightly. When it is cold, you should give the dana of that. I'm giving you an example. So you should select the masa, you should select the kshetra, and the dana should be given in a nadi tira. Sometimes we give if you go to Kashi, we should do the stana in Ganga, and we should make use of that opportunity to give dana to Brahmins there, because Kashi is something which you will never get, or nadi tira you will never get, where you should give that. So the desha, kala, and the kala is say Navaratri, etc., etc. A lot of Vijayadashami kala, Punya kala is there, Magha Masa Punya kala is there. All these Punya kalas, we should keep note of these Punya kalas and do dana. So this one such Punya kala is Akshaya Tritiya day, which is coming day after tomorrow. So the next suggestion which I had was from Vyoma side. Vyoma Linguistic Labs Foundation, all of you know. It is a 7-year old organization where we are almost done 140 to 150 courses. There are 20,000 people, committed learners in Vyoma. There are many people learning different things. By God's grace, everything is connected. We only started. So when we only started in a small room in Bangalore, we didn't even know that this organization will grow and people will support us so much. So there were many people who had written to me and asking how we should support Vyoma, and how how one is by volunteering, one is by spreading the word, one is by teaching Sanskritam, one is by learning Sanskritam yourself and then becoming a teacher. All these things are possible. So one of the ways of supporting is also there are people who want to support us financially. So we have a lot of expenditure. We are a non-profit organization. We have 12 full-time people. Imagine a software person in Bangalore. You are keeping a software engineer. You are keeping 2 marketing professionals. You are keeping basic thing. If you think of a software engineer, not less than 30,000-40,000 rupees, he doesn't come there. You will not get a person at all. So if you think that we are having 12 persons, you can imagine what is the monthly operational costs we are having. So, and we have this server costs, these kind of webinar costs, etc. What we are having. Webinar itself is $438 or $1,500, close to $1,500 we are spending on GoToWebinar itself to conduct these kind of classes and webinars. And also we have paid volunteers. We have many volunteers who do work on their own. Uploading these courses, then working on other things. We are coming up with a volunteer program next month, where we'll be talking about the volunteer program also, where if people who have time and who have the necessary skills, they can volunteer for Vyoma in different aspects. So we are coming up with a volunteer page, etc. We are also coming up with a US, by God's grace, we have set up a US entity. So people who are in the US can support the US organization. From here only we will support through classes. There are people there. So we will be launching the US website on Sunday, on the Akshaya Tritiya day. On Monday, I will be showing you the site, how it is, etc. It is still under construction. So we are trying to spread our tentacles everywhere and see how we can serve the society and do pracharam of Sanskritam. Our aim is only pracharam. So as I was telling in the Ajtadhyay class, it was Anantalakshmi Mata who initiated me when I was in 9th standard, that you should study Sanskrit like the great scholars, and you should do pracharam like the great pracharaks. So you should have knowledge also and do pracharam also, and you should work on the ground and do pracharam. So like that, we have been teaching face-to-face Sanskrit for about 20 years through Gita Govinda Samskrita Sangha in Bangalore. So when these face-to-face mothers and fathers, when they went to the foreign countries, when they started telling us, see, you had taught us a lot of Sanskritam, but now that we are away from you, we cannot continue this. How do we continue this? This was the question raised by us. They were asking us, why don't you come here? Many of them suggested, we'll give you a house, we'll give you everything. Why don't you come here and start teaching? Like that, many people even went to the extent of telling that. So I was surprised and amazed at their dedication to study Sanskrit. But then we realized that that will not be a permanent solution. Whereas we have to start something like Vyoma, where we do Sanskritam, Samskriti, Samskara. So Vyoma has got three things. That is Sanskritam, which is the Sanskrit, and in Sanskritam we have Bhashadhyanam, Granthadhyanam, Shastradhyanam. We will be shortly coming up with Granthadhyanam series, where textual immersion. So you take a text and study it deeply. So that kind of courses also we are planning to come up with by in this year, and offer it for the global market. And all these courses we can offer it freely or with very less monetization, only when there is support from all of you. So already many people have supported. Because of your support only, we have come to 7 years and we are sustaining, and we are able to pay salaries of 12 people, and we are able to run an organization like this. It's so we need to have a mix of volunteers and the full-time people. If full-time people are not there and only volunteers are there, then there won't be any movement. That means that the momentum will not be there. It will happen when it can happen. So that is why we have a mix of all these. Dr. Mahadevan from IIM advising us, global head of Polaris, Sri Rama Shivaraman, Srimati Rama Shivaraman. She is also an advisor in our company. She is a Vedanta specialist, and she is a global CEO of that big organization. There are people like B. Krishnamurthy, who was directly reporting to Azim Premji in Wipro. He is supporting us as an advisor. All these are honorary advisors supporting us. So that way, apart from the Vyoma team, which whom you all know, there are also people above us whom we are answerable to, like the board of advisors and the board to whom we are answerable. And the last but not the least, we are answerable to every citizen, every person who wants to learn Sanskrit. If any person wants to come and say, I want to learn Sanskrit, we want to give a solution to him or her, at least a self-learning tool, a course or something wherein he can start with. He want to enable him to start. Many people are at an age where they can't start learning Sanskrit or Shastras, but they want to get into the text like Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama, Narayaniyam, etc. So we are enabling all these teachers, etc., and doing lot of work only for the sake of prachar. What I would request is this pracharam and this effort can continue by God's grace till the Surya Chandra is there. Only if you all support us and give what is called as Danam or voluntary support and all those things. So I would request all of you to definitely support us whenever you can. Akshaya Tritiya is one such day where you can extend your support. And believe me, this was not to ask you any fees or anything for the classes that we are conducting. We have no intentions of asking that. And we definitely do not have any intentions of monitoring who is given how much money and etc. and all those things we never do. We are just making a request so that this organization can continue, and you are a part of this entire journey. So coming to the Taittiriya Upanishad Vakya, Shriyadeyam, Hriyadeyam, Bhiyadeyam, Samvidadeyam, etc. it is told. So when we are giving dana, Shriyadeyam, we should give it with us at utmost happiness. Shriya, that prosperity and happiness. We should feel that whatever I'm giving should help them and they should grow. Shriyadeyam, Bhiyadeyam. We should have the fear in us that what is this I am trying, whatever I'm giving may be insufficient. With the shyness and other things we should keep. And when when we give the Samvidadeyam, Bhiyadeyam, Samvidadeyam, Shriyadeyam. So the concept of Western concept of charity and the Eastern concept of charity is completely different. In Western philosophy and in Muslim religion also, they say you have to do some charity, say 10% or 15% of what you earn should be put for charity. If you are in Christian philosophy also, they say that so much percent you should do charity, you should help the poor, you should help the needy. That is what they say, and so much percent and etc. They say. I have not read the Quran and the Sun, but that is what is the policy. They feel that by giving the who is at upper hand, the giver is at the upper hand. Here the concept of Eastern philosophy or the Indian philosophy is not, the giver is not at the upper hand. The Deshe Kalecha Patrecha, you should select the Satpatra, and the cause, Shastra, our cause is Shastra Samrakshanam, Samskrita Samrakshanam. For example, in a marriage, what will happen is Kanya Dana, when you do, when a father or a mother of the couple of a daughter, when they do Kanyadana, the Sankalpa says that 21 ancestors above and below, they are liberated by the Kanyadana, and the person who is taking the dana is given the status of Mahavishnu. So that is why in Sampradayas, the bridegroom puja is done by the father of the girl. Father of the girl does the puja for the bridegroom, and he says, you are Mahavishnu coming to take my daughter, who is like Mahalakshmi, and you are going to give her life. Now this is the concept of our Danam. Our Danam is you worship the person who is receiving the Danam, and you give the Danam and feel yourself Kritartha for doing that. This one. Western philosophy is like you are at a pedestal when you are giving. That Western philosophy. Here, to give the Danam itself, you should have an opportunity or a Sukrita. That is what the Eastern philosophy says, and that is why the father-in-law of the father of the daughter is doing the puja to the bridegroom. Many times these days, the modern girls, they say, why should my father and his father are equal? Why should my father do puja to my would-be husband or the person whom I am going to marry? Is he not elderly person? Why should he do puja to an younger person? So will boy's father do puja to my father? That is what these people are asking, these girls are asking. Now, without understanding the concept of Danam and the activity that is going on there. Here the activity is Kanya Danam. The receiver is Mahavishnu. So Mahavishnu, if Mahavishnu comes in front of you, what will you do? You will definitely prostrate in front of him and say, please accept my daughter, and she is going to. And this daughter, what is her role? When she goes, she is going to liberate the houses of both kulas. That is her role, and that importance of that role is given when you think that your daughter is being received or given to Mahavishnu. That is the concept when you are doing the Kanyadana. So there are a lot of things. I just wanted to bring out the difference in the. Actually, I want to write a book on the art of giving, wherein there is a book called Go Giver in Management Science, where they talk about how when you give something to somebody, it may be a concept, an idea, a voluntary effort, not only a danam, a simple danam, how you should go all out and give. That management book is there, but it is very shallow. It talks about management philosophies, and it's a different purpose of the purpose of that book is different. Here, the purpose of that book is not to have competitive spirit, but to just give happily, is the concept of that book. But here, the Indian philosophy, the Bharatiya philosophy of Danam is entirely different. So I thought I should, each chapter from Taittiriya Upanishad, we should take some Bhiyadeyam. What is the meaning of Bhiyadeyam, Samvidadeyam, Shriyadeyam, Kriyadeyam? Kriya means with Lajja. Lajja we should give the dana, saying that at this juncture I am only able to give so much. That is how our ancestors used to talk about danam. Again, this concept I explained only to give you the importance of the kala, the desha, and the satpatra. So if you feel that Vyoma Linguistic Labs is doing the right thing, and if you want to support us, please do support us. Dhanyavadaha, Ram Ram Ram. I am not at a stage where I can take some questions, but I would definitely request you to go to our website, Sanskrit Vyomalabs.in, donate button. Then you can day after tomorrow on Akshaya Tritiya, day after say 6:30 India time, we will have the US website also being operated, vyomausa.org. Currently it may not be under operation. We will have there, people who are in the US can donate there directly through PayPal and other things. If you have any difficulty in doing that action, please write to me. Again, it is one small request. It is not a compulsion that you should do something like this. It is just a request. Our board member said at least once in a year you should make a request like this, so that we become sustainable and we can do more work. That was the intention which our board of advisors told us, and that is why I'm following their advice. Normally, for me, Samskrita Pracharam is the most important thing. People learn Sanskrit, Ashtadhyayi, Amarkosha, and you tell the sutras. That is the happiest moment for me. So in that moment, I rejoice. Dhanyavada. Swasti prajabhyas paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Today was Padya Pratipat, which is why there was no new Patha. From Monday we will continue the lessons. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram. Sarvebhyah Shubha Shankara Jayanti Mahotsavaha. Please celebrate Shankara Ramanuja Jayanti and let us give our Kartakya to our Adi Shankara Acharyas, Adi Ramanujacharya and Shankaracharya. Dhanyavada.